Yes.
Hi, hello everybody. I am Shravani. I'm from Bangalore. I am a data scientist, a makeup artist, and a meditator, a healer. And so today I have come again to share again a testimony. So I have been to a wedding this month, and the very next day I developed a rash on the left arm. So I thought it might be some allergy. So I started using allergy meridian programs, water activation, skin programs, and Mag Healy skin programs, everything. And also I asked Leena ma'am and Sheila ma'am what to use. So they have also suggested me the same, use these things. And the itching and irritation was not there, but slowly it was becoming more and more. So for 3 days, 3 to 4 days, I did not go to the doctor, and I was only using Healy and Mag Healy, and it was very good. So as I said, I have to attend a wedding. So I was worried if I could attend at least one of the events. So I went to the doctor, and he also didn't tell me anything. He got me scared, like, oh my god, where did you come from, and what you have touched. And he started sanitizing here and there, and it got me scared. So I asked him, at least tell me what is the term, so that even I will also get to know what it is. So he said it is related to chicken pox, and it is one of the variants. So I said okay. So I listened to him everything, and I started using medicines, because I said I have to attend. So it is the term herpes zoster. So I immediately went back home, and I searched in white app, and I ran everything whatever it has suggested me, all the programs without any fail. And after 3 days of using 4 to 5 days using Healy and Mag Healy, and with medicines, it got cleared. And by the time I reached to the doctor also, it the all the bubbles went black. It was already curing without using medicines. So after 3 days of medicines, he asked me what you did. He asked me, like, कहीं पे फैला तो नहीं, वो पूरा फैलने वाला बीमारी है, कैसे नहीं फैला. He also got very surprised. So I was like, I have a Healy with me, I have a gem, I don't need to be go here and there and do get scared all of this. So I told him as well about this thing, and he's like, he will also see about this, and he also got very much motivated that it is working very good. I will also see. And yes, that this is the thing that gave me very good results. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shravani. That was wonderful.